This is the last 16M.
They call me a god. 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 Let's go. I'm about to go off like a weapon. Fuel to the top, got a filled up engine.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's what she said.
Okay guys, just before we head out on this video and we get into what's coming up next, I just wanted to give my sponsorship a shout out. TorontoMessenger.com, Toronto's latest messaging app. Develop your profile to message among your friends, to post content in the community tab on your page, show people what you're up to, check out other events, post events, weather, news, you name it. Check out TorontoMessenger.com, link in the description, you guys.
Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. It's another beautiful day here in Toronto. We're up at the dealers because it's FAF open house, so don't know what's in there yet. That's really nice. Been up super early. We're gonna make our way over there now, and then we're gonna head to Yorkville after. I don't know how much B-roll I'm gonna be able to do here because it's gonna be fairly busy. I'll do what I can. And then, but whatever I see downtown after, I'll do B-roll with. I head there right now and see what's there. The special edition of Mclaren. Right there, it's on its way into FAF Reserve. We saw that, I got to get inside of it. Well, looky here. Good to see you, man. Oh, we saw these guys last weekend. Okay, guys, so this is about the gist of the meet. This is gonna be impossible to film here, so we're just gonna get roll-ins and roll-out. Brand new Technica right there. We got a really nice touring right here. That's really nice. There's a black Alfa, but I'm gonna wait for it to leave instead of trying to film it. It's really nice. A12. Okay guys, here it is, the brand new Technica. Second one I've seen. So yeah, there it is, you guys, the new Technica. So it's impossible to get any sort of B-roll, so I'm just gonna go chill, get cars leaving. There's an LFA, so I wanna get the LFA when it leaves, but this is the new Technica, you guys. I have an orange 99.1 GT3 RS. GT4 RS and Wysock edition. Oh, you know who this is, right? Aventador S. Guys, we have the fully exposed carbon Elva, fully exposed carbon Senna. We got the 765 LT and 75 LT, but it's literally impossible to shoot, you guys, so I'm not even gonna bother. I'm just gonna go.
I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. Anxiety, filling up every space, no privacy. And silently, it could build and build until you finally see, whoa.
Almost the same spec, but Sean's has a carbon wing. That's nice though. Yeah, I like the carbon wing a little better. DRX7. Love that thing. And a GTR R33 in the background. Miami Blue GT3 RS with the carbon aero disc. That's sick. I don't think it's Manti Racing. Might be shooting it. And you want to know the background, but F1 edition, 765 LT. F1 edition, 765 LT. F1 edition. I don't know what to film. 10th anniversary edition. 812. I think this might be I Told You To's old. I can't remember, but that's pretty sick. Come on, rev it. It's obviously straight pipe. Liberty Walk. This used to be black and gold. So sick.
I've seen one just like that.
Toyota, and this is a beauty.
Oh, it's not the. Oh no, it is. Oh, stop running. There goes the Technica. First Technica I've seen driving, and the 675 L2. But I'm not gonna. Okay, 675 LT. One of one ultimate. That's one of one right there. Myself, but it's the last Aventador ever made.
The last Aventador ever made. That exact car's last one of mine, yeah. Oh my goodness.
Exposed carbon 675 LT. That's really nice. Spider. I don't know. I just know he's. Are you guys sick of GT4 RSs yet? Put the wing down. More GT4 RSs. And then we saw this one downtown and at PTN. 707.
I don't even need a...
That I missed. That is gorgeous. Mach 1.
Yeah, the L one.
Nice spot. Better tomorrow. Golf livery. Ooh, 930 turbo. Oh, and then the white 812 carbon back. New Range Rover on 4G autos. Look at the back wheels turn. Swerving. White 812 carbon badges. That's really nice. This guy, we've seen his NSX. He's got a turboed NSX. Dude, that thing is so. That's insane.
So it's a one-off built by FAF, and you can sort of see it. Okay, Volcano Orange 765 LT Acid Green R8 GT3 RS. Oh, 911 Carrera G, we saw it. Type 812 Fuji. Those kids, that was funny. Now the white 812s leaving. So slow. That's black stable, I think, right? No. No, but it's exposed carbon. That's really nice. Being blocked. Just got blocked. So sick. Thank you, man. So good. Black LFA. Just revved it. And I keep getting blocked. I hope that comes out. F1 edition. So nice. Tokyo Sion 765.
Off the red line.
The 5 gazillionth GT4 RS I've seen. Okay, 16M. This is so 16M. No way. That's insane. So sick. So you know, this is the last Aventador ever made off the line right there. That's why it's color fade. That's the last one. After that, one right there, there's no more Aventadors ever being made. He also has a Chiron too. Okay guys, I can't even begin to tell you how rare this is. It's a Ferrari 16M Scuderia. This just doesn't get any more rare than this.
Who owns this one?
She got a picture.
Come on, that's the one I thought. That was my ringtone for like.
Look who it is, you guys. Black and yellow SV.